9:15 a.m. Wednesday, July 29th. And I don't know why I said the day like that, but I really just woke up. Well, kind of not really. I woke up at like 8:20 something. So it's about to be time for me to get ready because today is girls' day. I'm vlogging all day. We're going to the waterfall, and we've been talking about going to this waterfall for like 3 years now. I know, look crazy, and this is front camera, but look, I got my nails done, and right now I've been over acrylics TH, so I don't want acrylics to my birthday though. But yeah, I'm vlogging. I literally went last night. I have my Polaroid already. I went last night. I bought some film because, you know, they want to take Polaroid pics, so I'm like, okay, because I literally, what does it say? I literally only have I have 5 things to film in there. It's a long day. I was actually already watching YouTube. I was watching Lala, and I'm gonna finish watching that video and I'm gonna go get ready. I'll talk to you guys when I'm done, brush my teeth, taking a bath. Maybe I'll talk to you guys when I'm about to start my makeup again. And up to list. Okay, here we are. One of the girls are here right now. It's Abby. One of the A's are here. It's 3 A's. You look pretty. You look really pretty. And look at her kicks. Right now, I just did this hairstyle and I think it's really cute.
It is cute.
Thank you. It's giving me some it's giving me waterfall vibes. And my makeup is not done. But it will be done and I'll be back. We're jamming. I didn't mean to put the volume all the way down. I just don't want to get copyrighted, even though there's really nothing to copyright. But so here I am. Actually, let me click. So here I am, more than like an hour later from last time I checked in. So yeah, I'm ready for the day. I did a slight little beat, you know, nothing too serious. I have these Ardell wispy lashes that are really cute. I don't want to get too close to my face. I have this swimsuit, and I just have this black dress on as a cover-up, but here's the swimsuit. I'll show you guys a strip. This is a bathing suit top, and the bottoms are pretty much the same. So yeah, my friends are in the room waiting for me. I need to hurry up. I'm like, look, I'm liking my look, but something's missing. I know I definitely need my necklace on. But yeah, well, we have our second A here. So here we are. My bestie is whipping today. Normally, Ariana's the one whipping.
You know.
Oh, she looks so pretty.
Period. Live in such a capitalism type world, and I feel like they didn't learn to appreciate what they had. They just felt like they had to get rich, you know, do better. But I feel like Generation Z or whatever the fuck, we're very like understanding.
And here's our last A.
Oh my gosh, it's the
Abby.
tripod. Hey, tripod. I guess it's
A. We're vlogging today.
A. Oh.
A. And then the other A.
A. Okay.
And then S. I
So it's like
A.
B. And you.
Oh my god, you guys look very nice. Anything you would like to say to the vlog? Black
Lives matter. Fuck Trump. Fuck ICE. Behind the scenes.
Okay, hold on.
We're behind the scenes right now.
We're taking Polaroids. Ali's controlling the vlog. Let him do that.
Take it from
We
this side
are.
so you can't see my list here. But you can see the box.
We're behind the scenes right now because we're having a Polaroid photo shoot.
I brought sunscreen, guys. SPF for us all. We will not be touched. We went to the photoshoot here at Taqueria in Roswell. you guys ever want to come here, it's cute. Oh yes,
Appetizers come with
and look,
rice.
they have these cute ass biodegradable agave straws. Like I've never seen this before. It looks crazy at first sight, but we know it's good. Okay, so this is our food. I got these like their version of nachos. And she got the same thing as me, but with beef. I got mine with chicken.
This hits, bro.
It's really good. It's really
Wait,
good.
I gotta delete that and put my sparkling
And
water
then
in
she
it.
got tacos and rice and sparkling water. And what's in the cup?
Some type of beans.
Beans. And then Allison got salmon tortilla chips.
Yeah, that's what it is. It's called something. I don't know. I'll let them tell you.
In Roswell, it looks cute. Never been here before. All the ladies watching me like, okay. Anyways. Welcome to my MTV cribs, and their door is open. Oopsie. So here we are at Roswell Mill. It's cute.
Walking that bed on traffic. Baby gon' fuck on who next go. Come eat on this dick in that white. Fuck all that shit I just like. I'm taking flight like a mine. Running my bag,
Wavy.
I got some killers in line. All of my flashes shine. You can get 9 at a dime. I let myself to a line.
So right now, my hair is so frizzy in the front. Right now, I'm just waiting for them to use the bathroom. Other stuff is right there. I'm just waiting for them to use the bathroom. It's so hot outside. The scenery is very nice though.
Bitch, I love fine. This is the bitch I love fine. I had to cut out the hole. I just got me a little bit. But I got me a little boy. I got no butter by door. Sitting in the butter by door. That nigga ready for war. That nigga shooting them boys. You shooting that ready.
Wavy, can I ride your wave?
Polaroids. We just took some Polaroids. It might be really loud because of Waterfall, but look at it.
It will be dead in a week. I just want all of the spurs. That chopper stop doing the most. Hit a little boy with that cake. Turn them to ghosts. Walking the better we.
Did you guys have a successful day? Yeah. We're leaving the park now. We're having fun. Very out of breath because we just walked a mile.
This is the climb. Keep going. Don't give up.
I gotta keep on.
Be strong.
Guys, my knee hurts so bad. Swollen. Like, look at it compared to the other one. This don't.
First of all, I want you to put your middle fingers up. Tell anybody that said fuck you, just bless